Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about gold analysis, and the future, the next week. Also, so let's say this week, today is Sunday, so in the evening the market starts again. Right now it's 8:30 in the morning. So all right, so let's get started. Let me show you a few old charts that I made in gold. This is gold monthly chart made on October 15th when this drop here came to 50%. So I said, okay, is this the end of wave 4? It's like wave 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, this is big wave 3. This is big wave 4 ending. And wave 5 is underway. Now, wave 5 will also have 5 waves, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are going up. We're supposed to go up for wave 5. That's why I said that is wave 4 finish here, then we're going to go for wave 5, right? So at the same time, I made this, so you can see this gold chart here, right? Slowly going to the upside. And this is where I'm posting that, okay, this is probably going to be wave 5 right around this area. Now at this, and then you can see this gold right now is here. I made this chart on the 14th, and it's just still there. Now, let me see if okay. Now, at the same time, I made the weekly chart as well, weekly chart of gold, right? And this is on the, again, same on October 15th. It was here around this area. I said, okay, maybe this is wave C, A, B, C finishing wave 4. And then we're going to be going to the upside. So we right there from 50%, we start to go up. And this is the area, was the target. It was 1912 and 20, 1920. And this is, this is when we were here in 1802, this is another chart that I made that we're going to be going for wave 5 all the way there. This is wave 3, ABC 4, 5. But obviously, we're not going to go in a straight line. So what happened is that we went up again, and then we are sitting in this area. Let me show you here that we made the chart on 24 December, this one, 1804 again. And this is the current chart, which is on the 14th I made, 14 January, last weekend, that we are here now. And somewhere here, maybe this band, or maybe it will go up to 78%. Then it will retrace back to 1802, and then we'll go up. Okay, this is the last weekend. So the whole week happened, is already gone, right? Then now, where do we stand? So this is the area, this band you see is 1912, 1920. Watch now that this is the current chart of gold. Weekly, you see that? We are still exactly there, 1920. And that is, in between 61%, 78%. And we made a doji there, right? Now we ended up like that. And I strongly think that, again, same scenario, somewhere here from this, or maybe we go up to 78%, or right from there, we need to drop. We need to drop, but I'm not saying that we must drop no matter what. No, there's no guarantee in Forex, right? So, but 90% of the chances are that we're probably going to drop here and then go to the upside. Okay. And it is based on the US dollar index as well. So that is sitting at the support, ready to bounce. So if that bounce, this drop. All right. So they are like correlating to each other. So now that's why I said, maybe, and we need to find the best scenario. But you always have a second scenario, right? Second scenario is that you just drop here, maybe like 1877, and then continue to go to the upside, just like here did, up, going on. But wave 5 don't have that kind of momentum that wave 3 have. So this is like already went up in a straight line too much, too fast to the upside. Now it does need a requirement. I mean, not retracement, right? It required a retracement. So this is what my current chart is, that we're going to drop here first and then go for wave 5. And also my 80-minute chart is this, look like this. So that drop from the top is like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave C, wave 4 finish. This big, huge wave all the way to this area is wave 1 of 5. Then we're supposed to drop for wave 2 of 5. Let's see how far we're going to drop, if we're going to drop. right? So I'll be looking for short in gold, obviously, US, and on the basis of, let's say, if I see US dollar start to bounce and start getting strong, then this thing will definitely come down, right? It needs to come down. It's overdue already. So let's see. So this is my current scenario for the gold. I'm not going to show anything else in this video. It's just, video is just too long. We just wanted to show that this is what it is, and then look for this move to the upside, how many entries it gives using my system. See that? This is from December 15. And look at that. This is the beautiful entry here, 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 and here, right? Keep going. Even these, on a smaller time frame, on a 20-minute chart, these are the beautiful entries, actually. This is, you see this, for example, this is starting from here, January 6th. Look at this 20-minute chart. January 6th is right there. So you have entry here. Yellow is above the black now, right? Just getting up. Again, entry, 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 all of it. Continue going to the upside. So this is the beauty of using the system. But if you have it, use it. If you haven't something else, then, trade accordingly. But again, this is what the chart is now, that if we are going to go down, we must go below 1920, then 1916. If we can go below that, and then I see a short setup, I'll definitely take it, and then I'll take the trade, close the trade, and then I'll show you my trade in the coming days. Okay, and so this is it for now. And like I said, that if you want to receive my videos as soon as I upload them, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel, so that whenever I upload a video, you will notified and you'll get the video immediately. Right, so you can take advantage of these setups. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later. One more thing, but I forgot. All right, forget. So this is how the gold is, right? So like I said, talk to you guys later. Stop recording. I was recording? Yeah. Stop recording.